Puro reklamo. Did you know that customer complaints are actually blessings in disguise? Believe me, anak, there's power in customer feedback. So let me share May's story with you. Mommy N, we're drowning in customer complaints. Mali-maling orders, delayed deliveries, poor service. Lahat nangyari na sa amin. Every night I could not sleep, Mommy N. I felt like a complete failure as a business owner. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo anak, the truth is that each complaint is valuable market research. Totoo, nakaka-discourage at nakaka-stress kapag may complaint, diba? Pero etong isipin mo. It's your customers telling you exactly where improvements are needed. Every negative feedback points to an area for enhancement. These complaints tell you kung saan ka dapat mag-focus para maging mas maganda ang serbisyo natin. Think about it. Hindi ba mas okay ito kaysa umalis na lang sila nang walang paalam? Hindi ba mas maganda na nagsasabi sila kaysa tahimik na lang at lumilipat sa competitors natin? I'm sure we don't want that to happen, di ba? Kaya next time na may complaint ang customer, be grateful. It means that the customer would still want to do business with us. Think of it as a gift from them. Free consultation kung paano pa ma-improve ang business natin. So, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.